Hey everyone, Mary here. Hope you're having an awesome last Monday of 2019. Can you believe we are already here? 2020, right around the corner. You know, I'm here in the home office today working on a few things for the new year and realized I never said happy holidays to you guys. You know, I apologize, it's been a bit of a nutty few weeks in December. Super exciting, super busy, but you know, just not enough time, you know. But I truly hope that you got to take some time off, you know, be it a day or two, or if you're really lucky, a week or more, to enjoy it with your friends and family, loved ones, recharge and get ready for 2020. And I hope that I can be part of your journey if you're looking to transition into something fabulous, you know, professionally. I'm super excited to say that we have 2 online workshops that are free and that are focused on job seekers. January is a very popular time to start interviewing and looking for new jobs or new opportunities. And we wanted to do workshops online so anyone, wherever you are in the world, can attend. We are doing a workshop on resumes, but also just marketing material when you are a candidate and looking for new opportunities. So if you're looking to update your resume, want tips on how to really attract employers to you and make it really desirable, you don't want to miss it. We are also doing another workshop all about interview questions, you know, things that you should keep in mind as you're interviewing with a new employer. But also, if you're attending events like job fairs, we have some really great networking tips to keep in mind. These are all free, and we will be dropping information in the next day or so about these opportunities. So, don't miss it. And, you know, I really do wish you a wonderful rest of 2019, what remains of it. And I look forward to being part of your 2020. So, take care, everyone. I'll see you on the flip side. All right, take care, guys. Bye.